Hello student, continuing to our last class about the exponent chapter, we will continue now the same chapter exponent with the part 2. Okay, let's see some of the rules followed in exponent. So first see here, 0 and negative integral exponent. What do you mean by 0 and negative integral exponent? If a base is a and power is 5, and also see here, then the numerator and denominator both here base is same, and we can write like this, base same base a and power is 5 here, there also 5 minus 5 will be 0. If in this case, if any case the power will be 0, the answer will come plus 1. Okay, 1. So a to the power 0 equal to 1, remember it. So for example, I am taking here a to the power 3 and here a to the power 9. So equal to, I can write here a to the power 3 minus 9 because it is a division. In case of division, the power will be minus. So a, because base is same here, if base is same, in case of division, the power will be minus. So 3 minus 9 will be minus 6. So a to the power minus 6 equal to 1 upon a to the power 6. If the power will be minus, it will be again in the reciprocal form if you write, then 1 upon a to the power 6. Let's see this example. So here a upon b to the power 0. I told you that a to the power 0 to 1. In case of a, here it is written a upon b. So a upon b to the power 0 is 1 here. So what is the common formula? A upon b to the power minus n equal to 1 upon a upon b to the power n, where n is the exponent here. If it is a negative exponent, then it will be reciprocal form. Reciprocal here means 1 upon b to the power n here is the common sentence of this 0 and negative integral exponent. Now let's see some laws of exponents. So what are the laws we discuss now? The first law. So the first law says that a upon b, if there are two fractions having, see here, these two fractions having the common base. If this is a common base and the power is different here, if the power is different, then we can write here the same base here. Okay, we see here that the base is same. So if the base is same and the fraction are multiplied, that means we can write a upon b here. The base is a upon b because the base is same here, and the power will be added. So in case of multiplication, if the base is same, the power will be added. So a upon b to the power n plus n. So this is the first formula. Come to the second law. If a base is a upon b, then the power here 1 n is there. Again, it is exponent will be another exponent. Exponent of exponent. We can write like this: a upon b to the power mn. So we see here that the power are multiplied. So m into n we can write as mn. So base is same here a upon b and the power will be multiplied. M into n is the power. Come to the third law of exponent here. A upon b is the power is n here into c upon d to the power n. We see here in this case that the fractions are different. The base is different here, but the exponent is same. If the exponent is same and the base is different, how we can represent this formula? So let's multiply the base and the power is common here. The same common power is I am writing here m. So a upon b into c upon d power is m. So this is the third law of exponent. Now come to the fourth law of exponent. We see here that in case of division, what it happened? If a upon b is a fraction and see in this case, and it is the base is same here, but we see that in case of division, if the power are different, in this case the base is same, and it is a division case but the power are different, we can write like this: write the base and minus the power. So what is the base here? The base is a upon b here, but what is the power here? n and n. So because it is a division case, so it will be minus here. So a upon b to the power n minus n. So this is the fourth law of exponent. Now come to the fifth law of exponent here. A upon b is a fraction. If base is a upon b and the power is in minus, power is in negative form. So you can write like this. Make it reciprocal. Reciprocal means the numerator become denominator and the denominator become numerator. So here the power will be plus. So if you want to make the power plus, then make it reciprocal and the power will be plus. Okay. Okay, coming to the question, what we solve last, what are the exponent formula? Using the exponent laws, we will solve this question now. Okay, the first question is simplify 5 upon 7 to the power 3 into 5 upon 7 to the power minus 5. So what is the law? If the base is same here, if the base is same, the power will be plus. So write the base here, 5 upon 7 and 3 plus will be minus, plus minus minus 3 minus 5. So we see here the base is same and the power will be added. So 3 plus minus 5 will be 3 minus 5. So I can write here 5 upon 7 to the power 3 minus 5 is minus 2. So 5 upon 7 to the power minus 2. If we make it because we see here the power is a negative integer, so I can make it positive. So if now to make it to the power or exponent positive, I can write like this 7 upon 5 to the power 2. So 7, it is reciprocal now. 5 upon 7 will be reciprocal to 7 upon 5 to the power 2. So this is simplified now. Now come to the second question. Here both the base are same, but it is in case of division. We know that the law of exponent, when there is a base is same and the fraction is in the division form, then we can write like this, power will be minus. So write the base here, 3 upon 11 is the base here and the power will be minus. So 4 of minus, it will be plus, minus of minus 3. I'm writing again, minus of minus 3. So what is the answer? 3 upon 11 to the power 4 plus 3. So 3 upon 11, I can write that 3 upon 11, 4 plus 3 will be 7. 3 upon 11 and the power will be 7. Okay. Now come to the last question. 2 upon 5 to the power minus 3 to the power 4. Here we see that exponent of exponent is the condition of exponent of exponent. That means if the base is same and the power will be here multiplied according to the law. So write the base here 2 upon 5 minus 3. What is the exponent here? Minus 3. Minus 3 and 4 will be multiplied here. So 2 upon 5 to the power minus 3 into 4 will be minus 12. And because here power is a negative integer, make it positive. How to make it positive? Make it reciprocal. So 5 upon 2 to the power 12 is the answer. Okay. Sometimes this type of questions are coming. Like you see here, there is equation and there is left hand side some values are written and right hand side some values are written. So in this left hand side you see here this fraction having the common base is common, but here the relation between two is multiplication. What is the operator used here? Multiplication. So whenever the base is same, we should do the add the powers. So write the base here 5 upon 7 and the powers are minus 3 and plus minus 11. That will be minus 11 equal to the right hand side. Come to the right hand side, 5 upon 7 and the power is 7x. Give the imply symbol. So we see here that the LHS left hand side and the right hand side RHS, both the base are same. So make the powers equal here. So here minus 3 and minus 11 is the exponent and the right hand side, what is the value? 7x is the value. So you can write like this, minus 3 and minus 11 will be minus 14 equal to 7x, or 14, or you can write 7x equal to minus 14, or x equal to minus 14 upon 7 equal to, simplify it, 7 2 x equal to minus 2. Okay, x is minus 2. So this is the solution. Whenever these type of questions are coming, we can solve like this. Make the powers equal, make the exponents equal, and find out the unknown value. Here the unknown value is x, and here the answer is x equal to minus 2. Okay.